Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the chat. Today, we are doing the Allure Beauty Box for August. I just got it in my hot little hands this afternoon, so I can't wait to see what is in here. I did see some sneak peeks, but I've got a terrible memory, so that's in my favor, so I'll be surprised again once I see what's in here. The box has been really excellent the last few months. It's been like spectacular. So hopefully this month will continue in that tradition of being spectacular. Oh, look, there's a pretty lady. There's always a pretty lady in the box. And it says, have you heard pink is in? That's if I want to shop. I don't want to shop. Let's take a little peek-a-leak. Peek. Here's our peek-a-leak. We got some stuff in there. Oh, haha. I can't wait to see what it is. First off, from Tula, which is a fantastic company. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF. And this is, wow, you'll love it. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your routine. It really should be. This is a silky option. It's comfortable to wear as it is effective, and so there's no hesitation when it comes to applying it daily. Squeeze the tube out, and out comes pearly goop swirled with translucent bits of gel. Besides preventing sun damage, the papaya extract gently exfoliates skin, leaving you with a luminous, dewy finish. And this is $38. Tula is not a cheap company. Let's keep track of what this box is worth. So it's $38. Very nice. Would you like to see the tube? It's a nice size tube. That'll last you for a while in the summer months. And today is actually the midway point of summer. From now on, we're edging towards fall. Thank God. All right. A little lid came off here, but we'll put it back on. And this is wow. Wow. Ooh, wow. It's reflective. Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Inside the shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz. And flyaways, a smooth styler forms an invisible shield on your hair like a raincoat against humidity as soon as it's activated by the heat of your blow dryer. And this is $28 for 6.7 ounces, and this is 1.7 ounces, so this is probably about $6. Let's call it $6. $6 worth of stuff, and that's a really nice sample to try and see if you like it. All right, sweet. Oh, we got another sample. Belief Aqua Bomb Hyaluronic 11% serum. While you love it, hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers. There are 5 different types of blended into the Belief serum for maximum dewiness. The addition of antioxidants like ferulic acid helps protect your skin barrier simultaneously. Oh, it's a lot of words. It feels like going on, but it's a heavy hitter for moisturizing skin. That's a lot to say about a sample. It's $32 for 15 milliliters. And this is 5 milliliters. So we'll call this $7. And it is a deluxe sample. Look how big this box is. And look at what size this is. This is a nice size. This is nice size for a sample. But they try to make it seem like it's so much better and bigger. I mean, look at that. Shaking my head. Allure, you're not fooling us. Next up we have from Vanilla & Co. Oh, it's tiny sample box month for sure. This is cute for a trip. Vanilla Coke USA Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. I've used this before. It's really nice. And while you love it, it removes stubborn, waterproof mascara and full coverage base. Can feel like a chore, but this hydrating cleanser effortlessly melts all away for a pampering makeup removal process. And $19 for 100 milliliters, and this is 7 milliliters. So let's call this $4. I'm being generous. Super tiny. Superstar. I'm getting my tea soon, girl. Girl, this is coming. I had to try on this week. Next up from Larizzi, Cosmetic Lip Gloss in Curve. While you love it, most glosses feel sticky at first swipe, but Larizzi's makes lips feel pillow soft. Touch of this mauve pink delivers a sheer wash of color and shine on its own, but it also doubles as a pretty finishing touch over any lipstick when you want some extra sheen. Alright, and this is $16, which is a full size. Let's see if we can't take a look and see the color. It's really pretty. This would look good with what I'm wearing, but I don't really do lip glosses, so that's nice. Full size is always nice. Then we have some more things, a couple more things. We've got 2 brushes, and these are full-size brushes, and they're from La Rousse. And this is number 304 angle brush cheek and LR 316 duo fiber brush. While you love it, magic wands more than makeup tools. The soft fluffy brushes on these 2 blend out your favorite powders and creams to such perfection it looks like a professional has done your makeup. It's $48 for the set. It's just, ooh, it's super soft. I'm gonna shove it back in there. I don't need any brushes right now, but very soft, very nice quality. $48. All right, now I have to do everything over again because I hit the wrong key. And then last but not least, Anne Klein Love, Anne Rose Absolute. That's the sponsor of this box this month. And while you love it, one sniff of this lush fragrance and you'll be transported to a dreamy garden. This blooming scent will give you a new appreciation for roses, which star in this beautiful bouquet of iris, freesia, and pear. And bergamot. I love those. And vanilla. It keeps it from smelling powdery. And retail price for 3.4 ounces is $50. And this is 1.5 milliliters. So let's call that like $4. And then I have to re-add everything else up. It's not that much stuff to add up. Let's call it $6, $5, $5, 16. So $122 value this month, which is not bad. Is this the best month I've ever had? No, but we do have 4 full-size things if you count the brushes separately, but they're a set. So 3 full-size things and some nice sample sizes. All right, Allure, you can knock it up. You can knock it out to the park for us, please. Next time, do better. Do better, Allure, for the $24 and $122 value. Not too shabby. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.